Hello everyone, welcome to English for my student. And this is our second video upon the English alphabet. We are going to study the letter S. But before getting to the point, we have an empty to share with you. Remember, empty means mobile thought. So we feel this is like an obligation, okay, to always share with you an empty mobile thought. Okay, today our empty is think twice, speak once. What does it mean? Think twice, speak once. Okay, if you take it literally, so you're gonna say, I think twice, but I speak once. But in fact, this you don't have to take it literally. Think twice, speak once means when you are going to speak or when you are going to make a tough decision. Okay, you have to think twice before acting once. You have to think twice before speaking once. Okay, whatever you are going to do, before doing it, you have to think deeply on it. You have to think deeply. I say deeply, deeply. You think deeply, deeply, deeply. You have to think deeply on it before doing it. This is the meaning for our empty for today. Think twice, speak once. Okay, let's get to the point. But remember, I have something very special to share with you. Today, or nowadays, you need the gospel for your soul. As you need body and clothes. As you need clothes and foods for your body. Okay, you need the gospel. But you need also English for your life. Because English is nowadays the first language which can help you overcome the language barrier. So if you want to be a world citizen, you want to speak wherever you go, you have to take English in your life. Like you take food, like you eat, like you buy clothes for your body, and you take the gospel for your soul. But remember, to overcome the language barrier, you have to make a tough decision. I encourage you to think twice. Think twice before choosing a school. Think twice before choosing a school, because Jesus is there for you. And once you come, we are going to make of English your cup of tea. Because at Jesus, English can be your cup of tea. Okay, let's start to the point. Let's go into the point. S, the letters. Remember the difference between the letter and the sound. When you know the letter, so you use the letter to say the letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. So you say the letter of the English alphabet. But when you are going to speak, when you are going to make a speech, you will not use the letter, but you are going to use the sound. Like I say A, but I say banana. You see, in banana, you have several A's. Okay? Do I say banana? No, I say banana. Because A is the sound, but A is the letter. So we are in the letter S. And here you're gonna have the sound. The letter is S, but the sound is S. Repeat after me. S. S. The letter is S, but the sound is S. The letter is S, but the sound is S. Okay. We have the letter S, and here we have three words. The first is saddle. You don't say S-addle. You say saddle. Saddle. Why? Saddle. S. This is the letter. S is the sound. You say saddle. What is a saddle? A saddle is something that you use to see. Okay? It's a seat. You use something to sit down, okay, it's a saddle. And in our example, we have the saddle of my motorcycle is gray. The saddle of my motorcycle is gray. You see, the thing that you use to sit on a motorcycle, so you are driving your motorcycle, so you sit, okay? Once you sit on the saddle, you sit down on the saddle. When I say sit down, okay, sit down, so you can sit down on a chair. A chair is a seat, but a saddle is also a seat. You sit, something you sit is a saddle. The saddle of my motorcycle is gray. And here we have season. Season. You don't say S isn't. You say season. 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 There is several meanings of the word season. But we are not going to take it in like the 4 seasons of the year. Okay, but season is when you make sense of food being tasteful. Okay, you make something being tasteful, you season it. You season it. Okay, when you season something, you season a food. And in our example, we have Mom asked my sister to season the meat. It's not mix. This is meat. Okay? Mom asked my sister to season the meat. I am so sorry. To season the meat. Okay? Mom asked my sister to season the meat. So, Mom asked my sister to make the meat tasteful. Okay? You season it. So, you put things on it. Okay? You bring spices. Okay? You make it, you season it, you make it tasteful when you season something. Okay, repeat after me. Saddle. 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 Great. The saddle of my motorcycle is gray. 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 Okay. Season. 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 Mom asks my sister to season the meat. Okay. In a sentence, Mom asked my sister to season the meat. Mom asked my sister to season the meat. Mom asked my sister to season the meat. Okay, remember, you don't say a saddle, but you say saddle. When you speak, you use the sound S. But when you say I know the English alphabet, the letter of the English alphabet, you say S. Okay, S is the sound, S is the letter. Remember, it is very important. And here we have swallow. 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 Okay, this is your homework. But what does it mean? What does swallow mean? Okay, swallow when you make something go down your throat. Okay? You make something go down your throat like water, juice, or food. You swallow something. Okay? When I think. Okay? You make it go down your throat, you swallow it. Okay, this is your homework. You are going to make a sentence with the word swallow. As myself, I did. The saddle of my motorcycle is gray. Mom asked my sister to season the meat. So you are going to make a sentence with the word swallow. This is a pleasure to present you our second video upon the English alphabet, mainly the difference between the letter and the sound. Remember, empty means mobile thought. Mobile thought. Mobile is like this. Mobile. And thought. Mobile thought. Think twice, speak once. That means you have to think deeply on something before doing it. And we have the letter S, and here we have the sound S. The letter S and the sound S. We have 3 words here: saddle, season, swallow, and we have 3 sentences. The saddle of my motorcycle is gray. Mom asked my sister to season the meat, and this is your homework. I'm waiting for your question, and I will answer you. Okay? This is a pleasure to present you our second video upon the English alphabet. Remember, I am a teacher of GRS, Grace and Unity English School, which is located at Format 59, Rendezvous. I hope that you know Rendezvous. You can come and get yourself registered. And once you register, once you become a student of Grace and Unity English School, you will have English in your cup of tea. Thank you. Bye-bye.